Chris, we're both survivors who have utilised legal systems to seek justice. Can you share a little with us about what prompted you to seek justice through the legal system?
Yeah, I think it was my community and my family had largely made that decision on my behalf. I was a child.
Okay.
But coming to know more, that experience was, I was working in a community legal centre, and someone I was providing support to through another legal process, they shared with me that they'd been the recipient of some money and some counselling, psychology, and a direct personal response. And I got really curious about what this was, and they told me that they were a survivor of institutional child abuse, and I thought, oh wait, that could be me as well.
Yeah.
And so I wish you'd known how this kind of sharing this would also change my life, and that's when I went on to reach out to Know More Legal Service, and I googled Know More, and yeah, it brought me to a number that I called. And yeah, I decided it was probably time that I speak up about what happened to me as a child, and yeah, that feeling of being believed and being recognised. Yeah, it wasn't about the money. It was also about the healing for me, and getting some counselling as well. That aspect paid for has really been transformative for me. Yeah.
Do you mind sharing what were you thinking? Like, I can imagine, Googling this number, not knowing what to expect. What was going through your mind? How were you feeling?
Yeah, I was petrified. I mean, talking about your hardest, darkest days is scary, and I was fearful that I was going to have to share it all in one go. But that wasn't the case. I got chatting to some lovely humans who made me feel really safe and made me feel like I could go at my own pace as well. So I think that really, really set the tone, and the way that they provided me with a sense of control and maybe autonomy through the process, it really kind of took the edge off the anxiety that I was feeling about having to share the hard bits. And I don't want to make this seem like it was easy, because it wasn't. Like, there were some really hard moments throughout the process. Describing your story is extremely hard to someone you don't really know yet, to an organisation. So it's hard, and I understand why people don't feel ready yet, and I understand why, as you said before, 24 years it takes for some people to speak up, and so I felt a sense of relief once I did, and it was a gift to myself, yeah.
Oh, that's a nice way of looking at it, isn't it? It's investing in yourself and like you said, caring for your mental health, being able to get the support that you deserved, probably back at that time and now. Can you tell us what advice would you give to someone